Hello, my name is Swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the Columbia river knife and tool half-achance machete, the parang version. The item was on sale, otherwise I would not have bought it. I paid $21 at the local Walmart, and we see the steel that they used is a 65mm carbon steel. I did never hear before of that. Maybe that is something from China, who knows. Black powder coat, the football grip handle, and the sheath. That feature I like the most on the knife. It has a great sheath next to the grip. It's a pretty big packaging. That's how that looks, and there on top, need to take that clearance sticker a bit off. On top we have there some more information. The sheet is made out of polyester, and the weight is on it 2,730 gram. Textured grip, the length is on it, and the heat treat as well. We have a lifetime warranty on that item too. The good thing of that item is the grip, the sheath, and how sharp it was right out of the box. Usually if you buy machetes, those need resharpening or you can use it. This one was already sharp out of the box. I did use it quite a bit, so we have on the blade already some nicks, and the finish did get a bit battered up, but nothing too bad, and we can easily grind that out by resharpening, so that is pretty good. The swing is nice. The forward heavy part here of the blade gives you a good sweet spot, together with the handle, with the grip. It's a full-size rubber grip that is one piece, and they simply put it over hopefully relative big tang of that item, and then put in those hollow tubes there. The hollow tubes doesn't stand out, so there is no sharp point that could create a trouble on the hands. And for my full-size hand, the handle is really well. The finger grooves are not too bad. That is many times a bit a problem, but because of the rubberized material that they use, that is relative good. Also I like the guard here, so you get a good solid grip on it as you use it. And you have enough holes if you want to use a lanyard wherever, in whatever position. If you even want to leash it all the way through, that is possible too. Then to the sheet, that is again a bit dirty, a bit dusty. I used it. On top we have this easy to remove loop here. That is the main loop that you have. There is nothing more actually on the sheet other than this part here, but that is in the wrong direction. At least you had a leashing point for paracord together with the eyelets there. That would work too. The sheet is really well made. It comes with that, I think it's paracord. It looks like paracord, but quite likely it's a Chinese copy, leashed already through it, so you have a bit a cord with you. What I don't like is that the rivets are shiny. The button, they did blacken out, those two buttons. The snaps, the number 3 as well on top, but the eyelets here are just silver. That is something that is easy to change with a bit a spray can, and this is not for collection, that is for use. Anyhow, so you open up all 3 snaps, and then you see the plastic material inside and a bit divided there. Then and this is a bit awkward because it's in front of the camera, you simply need to take the straps away from the blade, and then you go all the way in. Then you can close the first strap, and this strap goes all the way around here. Would have been good if they would have stitched the part here on. I quite likely gonna glue it with a JB weld or something. And then we have the last strap, and this is really tight. The last strap should go a bit over the edge here and be like that. At least on this sample it's relatively tight, but better tight than loose. So that gives it quite a good sheath system. For security, we have the two straps and snaps on the side and one on top, so that is really good together if you want to put it in the backpack. Sometimes that's a problem with other machetes with the sheath that they use. So this would really be safe and work well. For carry it on the belt, that is what you have here, that Velcro long thing with that swivel. That I would have, if I could have selected, I would have make the belt loop here a bit bigger and saw it on here, that we have a solid loop instead of this, but maybe I'm gonna put something on it myself. We see. That is for now how it is in the factory configuration with that big box. They make a second variation with a different blade shape as well, in case you like that better. That is more like a regular knife looking and not like a parang. I liked the parang for years now. I got Crocodile brand from UK, a machete in that parang style way too many years ago, and that did work out great. And back then in Switzerland, I did not know that style of a blade. That was not common at all, but for sure it did work out well if you figure it out and check it out. So that much about the Columbia River Knife and Tool half a chance parang version.